came to John the Baptist in Judea long ago, and was baptized by immersion in the river Jordan's flow. Good job, Sarah. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
How are you, Sarah?
Good.
Did you get an owie right here on your cheek?
Yeah.
What happened?
I first spent the bag and I got hurt.
Yeah, you fell back and hurt with Spencer?
Yeah.
What were you doing to Spencer?
This.
Yeah, you were giving him a hug, huh?
And him gone.
And he's gone right now?
Yeah.
Where is he at?
Cleaning.
Carpet cleaning, that's right. Okay, say bye-bye.